Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Nox Asian Recipes. Today, her homemade syrup for mooncakes. She uses this in the dough of the mooncakes. You can see the color and the texture. Wonderful. This is versatile too. You could put it on your pancakes or use it for other kind of desserts. Okay, so this simple recipe calls for water, about 150 ml, sugar, about 500 grams, and the juice from a couple of limes. The lime is very important in this recipe. Not only give it a little flavor, but it will maintain the texture, keep the syrup soft and syrupy. So she heats this up on medium-high heat until it starts to boil, stirring constantly. She doesn't have to cook it for very long, maybe about 10 minutes. She's not looking for the dark red color here. That would mean the sugar is already burnt. It's kind of a light yellow color when she's finished. Okay, so she turns off the heat. You don't want to overcook it at this stage. It can become bitter. And next she's going to use about a teaspoon of baking soda, dissolve it into the water. And now she'll add this to the still warm syrup mix, which is no longer on any heat. You'll see it immediately fizzes up. She'll gently stir it to mix this all together. The baking soda will maintain this mixture homogeneous and it will give it a nice deep red color. So don't worry about the foam. The bubbles will all burst and it will be reabsorbed, and you'll see this is what it looks like now. She's just ready to put it into a dish and let it cool overnight. So she covers it, but she'll leave the little vent open to avoid any condensation and help it cool down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This is ready for your favorite dessert recipes.